What up everyone, it's your girl Layla and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button because you won't want to miss this. Today, we're diving into the United Arab Emirates, your ultimate travel guide to the most mind-blowing spots. From sky-high towers to epic water parks, I'm showing you how to explore the UAE like a pro. We'll cover the best things to do, the most Instagrammable spots, and a taste of UAE's unique culture. Whether you're dreaming of visiting or already planning your trip, you're in the right place. Get ready for a virtual tour through skyscrapers, water slides, and palaces straight out of a movie. Let's kick off this adventure and explore the beautiful United Arab Emirates together. Let's start our journey in Dubai with a true icon, the Burj Khalifa, a structure that has redefined what's possible in architecture and engineering. Soaring 828 meters into the sky, the Burj Khalifa is officially the tallest building in the world, and it's a sight that will leave you speechless. No matter how many photos or videos you've seen, nothing prepares you for the sheer scale of this skyscraper when you see it in person. It's absolutely jaw-dropping. Standing at its base, you feel tiny, dwarfed by this marvel of human achievement. The Burj Khalifa is a testament to what vision, ambition, and innovation can accomplish. Every inch of its shimmering steel and glass exterior reflects Dubai's bold spirit. The building isn't just a landmark, it's a symbol of the city's relentless drive to reach new heights, both literally and figuratively. To begin your ascent, you'll enter through the Dubai Mall, one of the world's largest shopping and entertainment complexes. Here, anticipation builds as you approach the entrance to the Burj Khalifa experience. The adventure really begins with the elevator ride. This isn't just any elevator, it's one of the fastest on the planet, whisking you upwards at an incredible speed. In less than a minute, you'll be hundreds of meters above the city. As the doors glide open, you're greeted by a view that's nothing short of breathtaking. Dubai stretches out beneath you, a dazzling tapestry where the golden desert meets the turquoise Arabian Gulf. From this vantage point, you can spot the iconic Palm Jumeirah, the man-made world islands, and the city's futuristic skyline, all laid out like a living map. Here's a tip: time your visit for sunset. As the sun dips below the horizon, the city transforms, lights flickering on and painting Dubai in a magical glow. Watching the city come alive from above is an experience you'll never forget. The observation deck is equipped with high-powered telescopes, letting you zoom in on Dubai's landmarks and even glimpse how the city has changed over the years. It's a fascinating way to see both the past and present of this ever-evolving metropolis. Step outside onto the open-air terrace. Up here, the wind rushes past, and you can truly feel the height. It's the perfect spot to snap an epic selfie, breathe in the view, and soak up that top-of-the-world feeling. To make the most of your visit, book your tickets online in advance to skip the long lines. And if you're looking for something extra special, upgrade to the Sky Experience. You'll get access to even higher observation decks, a more exclusive lounge, and some truly unforgettable perks. It's also incredible to think about the people who keep this building running, maintenance crews and window cleaners who work at dizzying heights, ensuring the Burj Khalifa always looks its best. Before you leave, make sure to catch the Dubai Fountain Show at the base of the tower. The water jets leap and dance in perfect sync with music and lights, creating a spectacular finale to your visit. The Burj Khalifa is more than just a tourist attraction. It's the beating heart of Dubai's story, a symbol of the city's ambition and its place on the world stage. If you only have time for one landmark in Dubai, make it this one. The memories you'll make here will last a lifetime. Standing atop the Burj Khalifa, gazing out over the city, you'll feel inspired, exhilarated, and ready to explore everything else the UAE has to offer. Next up, we're trading skyscrapers for slides at Aquaventure Water Park, Atlantis the Palm. This isn't just a water park, it's an aquatic playground set on the iconic Palm Jumeirah. The star attraction? The Leap of Faith, a near-vertical drop through a shark-filled lagoon. If that's too wild, try Poseidon's Revenge or the Aquaconda, the world's largest water slide tube. For a chill vibe, float the mile-long lazy river, complete with waves and rapids. Families will love the Splashers Kids Play area, packed with slides and water cannons for little adventurers. When you need a break, relax on Aquaventure's private beach with stunning views of the Dubai skyline. Refuel at food stalls offering everything from burgers to shawarma. Want something extra? Book a dolphin or sea lion encounter for a unique animal experience. Pro tips: arrive early, wear waterproof sunscreen, and let yourself have fun. Scream on the slides, float the river, and embrace your inner kid. Aquaventure is a full day of thrills and relaxation, and a must-do for any Dubai trip. Ready for more water fun? Head to Yas Waterworld in Abu Dhabi, where Emirati culture meets wild rides. The park's theme is the legend of the Lost Pearl, woven into every attraction. Thrill seekers, don't miss Dawama, the world's first hydromagnetic tornado water coaster. Or brave the Liwa Loop, a looping slide with a heart-stopping floor drop. Race your friends on the Sabag mat slide, loser buys the snacks. For something unique, try the Bandit Bomber, a suspended roller coaster with water cannons, or go pearl diving for a real souvenir. Families can float the Al Raha River, or let little ones play in dedicated kids' zones. The park is spotless, the staff are friendly, and the food options include local Emirati flavors. Yas Waterworld isn't just about rides, it's a celebration of UAE heritage, making it a fun and meaningful day out. If you're in Abu Dhabi, or even Dubai, don't miss this blend of modern thrills and tradition. After a day of water-soaked fun, it's time to dry off and step into a world where fantasy and adventure come alive. Warner Bros. World Abu Dhabi, right next door on Yas Island. This isn't just any theme park. It's a place where your favorite stories, superheroes, and cartoons leap off the screen and into real life, all under one gigantic roof. This massive, fully indoor theme park is climate-controlled, so you can enjoy it year-round, no matter how hot it gets outside. The moment you walk in, you're greeted by cool air and a sense of wonder, making it the perfect escape from the desert heat or a rainy day. Step inside and you're transported to the Warner Bros. Plaza, a dazzling space with a sky-painted ceiling and golden age Hollywood vibes. It's the gateway to 6 uniquely themed lands, each more immersive than the last. Explore Metropolis, Gotham City, Cartoon Junction, Bedrock, Dynamite Gulch, and the plaza itself, each with its own vibe, attractions, and surprises around every corner. Whether you're into superheroes, classic cartoons, or prehistoric adventures, there's a world here for you to discover. Gotham City is a must for Batman fans, with its shadowy streets, dramatic lighting, and pulse-pounding thrill rides like the Riddler Revolution and Batman Night Flight. You'll feel like you've stepped right into the pages of a comic book, surrounded by the city's iconic skyline and infamous villains lurking in the shadows. In Metropolis, join the Justice League on a 5D ride to save the world. The action is non-stop, with cutting-edge effects that make you feel like you're flying alongside Superman and battling villains with Wonder Woman and the Flash. It's a superhero adventure you'll never forget. Cartoon Junction, Bedrock, and Dynamite Gulch are packed with family-friendly rides and classic characters. Think Bugs Bunny, Tom and Jerry, and the Flintstones. These lands are bursting with color, laughter, and nostalgia, making them perfect for kids and anyone young at heart. For a dose of excitement, ride the Fast and Furious coaster, inspired by Wile E. Coyote and Roadrunner's wild chases, or float through Bedrock on a Flintstones River adventure, where you'll meet the whole gang and dodge dino-sized surprises. The park balances adrenaline rides with gentle attractions, character meet and greets, and live shows, so there's truly something for all ages. Whether you want to scream on a coaster or just hug Scooby-Doo, you'll find your happy place here. Themed food options abound, from villainous meals in Gotham to Bronto burgers in Bedrock. Grab a Superman sundae or a Looney Tunes snack. Every bite is part of the adventure, and the restaurants themselves are as immersive as the rides. Warner Bros. World is more than rides. It's a storytelling experience that brings your favorite characters to life. Every detail, from the music to the decor, is designed to make you feel like you've stepped into a movie or cartoon. Whether you're a die-hard superhero fan, a lover of classic cartoons, or just looking for a day packed with fun and adventure, Warner Bros. World Abu Dhabi delivers an unforgettable experience for everyone. It's a place where dreams come to life, and every visit feels like stepping into your own blockbuster adventure. After all that action, it's time to indulge in a world of luxury at the Emirates Palace Mandarin Oriental in Abu Dhabi. This is where elegance and grandeur come together in the most spectacular way, offering an experience that truly feels fit for royalty. This isn't just a hotel, it's a cultural icon and a showcase of Arabian opulence. The moment you arrive, you're greeted by a breathtaking facade that glows under the Abu Dhabi sky, hinting at the wonders that await inside. The architecture is nothing short of awe-inspiring, with over 100 majestic domes crowning the palace. Step inside, and you'll find interiors adorned with shimmering gold, gleaming marble, and sparkling crystal chandeliers. Every detail, from the intricate mosaics to the grand staircases, is designed to impress and inspire. You don't have to be an overnight guest to experience the magic. Visitors are welcome to wander the grand halls, marvel at the curated art collections, and soak in the regal atmosphere. It's a place where history, culture, and luxury blend seamlessly. One of the highlights is the famous Palace Cappuccino, a decadent treat topped with real 24-karat gold flakes. It's not just a coffee, it's an experience, and yes, it's Instagram gold, literally. Sipping this luxurious drink in such a setting is a memory you'll never forget. Dining at Emirates Palace is a culinary journey in itself. The palace boasts a range of world-class restaurants, where you can savor everything from authentic Emirati dishes to international gourmet cuisine. Each meal is crafted with the finest ingredients and served in settings that are as beautiful as the food itself. The palace grounds are equally impressive, spanning 85 hectares of lush gardens, with a pristine private beach and 2 massive pools. Whether you're taking a leisurely stroll through the landscaped gardens or enjoying a swim with a view of the Arabian Gulf, the sense of tranquility is unmatched. There's no shortage of ways to unwind. Relax by the water, explore the vibrant gardens, treat yourself to a rejuvenating spa session, or watch luxury yachts glide by in the palace marina. Every corner offers a new way to enjoy the good life. Emirates Palace is also a thriving cultural hub, hosting world-class concerts, art exhibitions, and special events throughout the year. It's a place where creativity and luxury come together, making every visit unique and memorable. But what truly sets Emirates Palace apart is its legendary hospitality. The staff go above and beyond to make every guest feel special, offering a warm welcome and a glimpse into the UAE's deep-rooted tradition of generosity and excellence. Whether you're sipping a gold-dusted cappuccino, exploring the ornate halls, or simply soaking in the atmosphere, a visit to Emirates Palace is an unforgettable highlight of any trip to Abu Dhabi, a true celebration of Arabian luxury and culture. And that's a wrap. From the Burj Khalifa to Emirates Palace, we've covered the UAE's top must-visit spots. This country is packed with adventure, culture, and unforgettable experiences. I hope you're inspired to start planning your own UAE adventure. Whether you crave thrills, luxury, or family fun, the Emirates has it all. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite spot in the comments. Until next time, keep exploring and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.